You know, character creation is pretty cool, but why don't we take it a step further? Introducing the Dynamic Actors plugin, a plugin that allows you to dynamically change the images and sprites used on a custom character depending on their class or equipments. Go into the note box of any class, weapon, or armor, and use the following note tag: force, the section, piece, and then the file name. So say for example we'll make so our warrior class forces specific clothing to go onto the actor when they're using the warrior class. Let's actually go to our game folder like this. Let's go into our character pieces by going to image, some random dude, character creator, and we'll go to the walk pieces, for example. We'll go to our clothing section, and we'll say, let's use clothing, parenthesis 36, when they're using the warrior class. So let's go back to our database. Let's go to our class tab again, go to the note box and do force. So the section is going to be clothing, so we'll input clothing, then we'll do piece, and then we'll input the file name, which was clothing, and I believe it was 36 or something. I'll just put 35, whatever. There we go. So that's all you gotta do. So as you can see right here, this actor currently has a hero class installed on them. Let's switch them to the warrior class. So for testing purposes, I've added in Yanfly's class change core. So let's go in here, let's set their class to be a warrior, just like this, and as you may notice, when we set it to a warrior, their clothes change. When we exit out, you'll see that, hey, now they're using this green clothing piece thing, whatever, for their clothing, as opposed to what they were doing before. And of course, we go back to our class option and we choose something else like the mage. It'll go back to your original clothing since they don't have any specified clothing installed for this class. So yeah, so you can pretty much go through all of your classes, all your weapons or armors, and set it so they all specifically set up certain pieces to be forced onto custom characters when they're equipped. So let's go once again and go to the mage. We'll set it so this one uses clothing 36. We'll go to the priest. We'll set it so this one uses clothing 37, and we'll just leave it at that. It's not, as you can see, depending on which class we have installed, our custom actor will have a completely different piece of clothing on. So for example, this is going to be the priest, this is going to be what's going to be the mage clothing, so it might be something similar like that. So there we go. And if we go back, we can also go once again to our actual warrior class and do this green piece of clothing like this, or back to our original piece of clothing, which was going to be the hero, just like this. Oh, yeah, there we go. And of course, like I said before, you can also do this with other types of sections, other types of weapons, armors, other types of classes. It's all up to you what you want to do. Download link to this plugin is in the description of this video, and if you enjoyed, give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. It's not that complex of a plugin, but yeah, that's all for now, and until next time, bye!